Hey Baddie Besties, welcome back. If you don't know me, I'm Rhonda and we do subscription box unboxings here. So today we have So Susan Cosmetics, Color Curate, Earfleek, and box of Happies. So we're going to start off with the So Susan Cosmetics Color Curate. When I went to get it on Cratejoy, it was called Color Curate, I believe. But when it came in, it said So Susan Cosmetics. So I got a little bit confused about which one this was and if I got the right one. But it's cool that it came with this little like gift bag, which is really cute. I think that's a great way for them to advertise, so they know pretty much that you'll probably use this for a gift later on in the future. And in the meantime, you don't have to go out and buy a gift bag at last minute. You have one around. And inside was also this cute little bag. So I'm excited to see what is in here. Looks like they do have a little card in here that it kind of explains things. It does have the prices on it. So that's pretty cute. This is $20.95 a month. You get 4 full-sized makeup items, I guess. Vegan cruelty-free makeup palette every month. So there'll be a palette in here every month. It's vegan, cruelty-free. And let's see, the retail value they claim is $80 in every subscription. And they do have free shipping. So we're going to find out if it's worth the $20, if they've overpriced anything, things like that. So at the top of the card, it says Color Curate, curated, color-focused beauty subscription. And the bottom it says cruelty-free and vegan, 100% cruelty-free. We do not test our products or ingredients on animals. Connect with us and get the latest on game-changing color trends. www.colorcurate.sosusan.com. And they're saying the retail value of this bag is $116. Okay, so not everything in here is made by So Susan Cosmetics. This is a limited edition makeup bag worth $12, just right off the bat, which it's pretty cute. Oh, it does say it's So Susan Cosmetics. Okay, so this is the first thing I'm pulling out. This is Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics Supernova Dual Eyeshadow. Let's check it out. It does say on the back, vegan, no mineral oil, no parabens, no phthalates, hyperallergenic, and non-comedogenic. I haven't seen that word before. It is cruelty-free, and the brand is by Jelly Pong Pong. It has a screw top. So when you open it, it has just really simple packaging and a nice dark purple and light purple, both in glitters. This is nice. I would definitely wear these colors, but I'm probably going to put this in the giveaway, so I'm not going to swipe that. But I do like the packaging a lot. It's like aliens from outer space. It's pretty cute. This next thing is Trifle Cosmetics Bon Bon Bling Lustrous Potted Pigments. Okay, I hope I don't make a mess. Things like that usually make a mess. So the brand here is Trifle Cosmetics, and this is supposed to be worth $15. This was worth $18. This is Trifle Cosmetics. It's obviously like a neon glittery green, and I'm so worried about spilling this or making a mess. Okay, so it does have a protective plastic sheet. Okay, so I peeled it up a little bit, and it's got, you know, the little holes in it to distribute the powder more carefully. You do have to be careful when you peel this up. It does pull the whole plastic piece up. So you could remove the whole thing if you want to, if it's easier for you to work with. I did swipe a little bit, but it's such a faded light green shimmer that I think only in certain lights would it really pop. And otherwise, it's just going to be a shade that you can barely see at all. So I doubt you can see anything. So Susan Cosmetics Dream Maker Light Shifting Highlighting Cream. It's cute packaging. Let's see here. So the inside packaging, same thing. It looks like it's a white highlighter. Retail value here is $29. And it's got a little twist cap. Ooh. Okay, so it's got that holographic type of look to it. Super white. And then when it goes on, oh wow. I don't know if you can see that nice lavender holographic That's gorgeous. That's going to be just beautiful. And it spreads quite a bit. So be careful with how much you put on and where you want it. Make sure you put it where you actually want it. And the last thing in here is an actual palette. Summer Skin Bronzing and Sculpting Palette. Oh, let me show you the packaging. It's very cute. Vegan, talc-free, gluten-free, no mineral oil, paraben-free, phthalate-free with niacinamide palmitoyl, tripeptide 5, tripeptide 5, and kakadu plum extract, hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic. I am learning new words today. Retail value on this is $42, and it is just a really nice bronzing palette. The colors here are saying Capri Matte Medium Tan, which is the lightest one. In the middle, we have Ibiza Matte Mocha, and the last one is Bali Matte Caramel. So I don't want to swipe these, but you can tell they're very much on the oranger side of the browns, if you couldn't tell that already. But it does have a pretty sleek design. I do like that. The fact that everything is cruelty-free and vegan, I would say that this is definitely worth the price. You're not going to find those types of items at $5 a pop. So for $20, this isn't even $5 a pop because the bag's included in that. So really you're talking like maybe $4 each. This bag is definitely worth it. Like, I highly recommend this. Next up, I'm going to do Earfleek. Earfleek is $3.49 a month. If you want to do like a premier tier that has, I think, just still one piece but a nicer piece, it's $9.95 a month. And all of the earrings are hypoallergenic, no metal, and they have style types that you can choose from. So you can choose boho, minimalist, silly and fun, eccentric, or I believe like random. So I probably chose random, most likely. The retail value of these earrings today are $15.99. They put them together with this little plastic piece that threw me off. And I guess you could cut this in half to use as the backings on your earrings. But for now, I'm just going to pull them out. They do hook, so you don't necessarily need a backing, but it's always nice to have it just in case. I don't know about you guys, but my hair pulls everything out. So these are the earrings. They are pretty cute. I think they go with just about anything. I wouldn't wear them with something really fancy, but I definitely think they're super cute, and certainly younger kids would really like these a lot. They have the shimmer and the shine, but they're really obviously not expensive. They don't fake it at all. Like, they are definitely cosmetic jewelry, play jewelry. They look kind of like play jewelry, honestly. So, use your own judgment. I always say that Earfleek is a really quick, easy, cheap way to get a subscription box into the mail. Doesn't cost you anything, makes somebody's day. It's just a cute little pink envelope with some earrings in it. You can't really go wrong with that. They're just, it's a fun subscription. On the list is Box of Happies. I don't really know what's going to be in here. I did get this. It's another one that I got off of Curate. So this is basically a grab bag, I believe is what I got, for $15 a month. It's supposed to be handmade, always worth more than the box price. Artisan and indie shop owners, variety of items, at least one piece of jewelry each month. So this is just something to light up somebody's day. Maybe somebody who deals with depression and anxiety. This could give them just the little boost in their mood that they need in their life, sometimes. But let's see what's in it for $15 a month. I mean, it doesn't look like there's too much in here, but if there's jewelry in here, then it's probably really worth it, right? And I'm seeing colorful, so I'm going to open this one first. This is just a cute little bracelet. Let me show it to you like that. You can kind of see it has its little dangles. I don't know, it's kind of a kid thing to me. it's really huge for your wrist, so I'd probably wear it as an anklet instead. But it also, if you have a lot of like hairy wrists or hairy ankles, it's quite possible it'll pinch the hairs on your legs or whatnot. This is a face mask lanyard. What? They're making lanyards for your face mask. That's pretty smart, actually. Has your 2 hooks for each side of your face mask. And I would say it's got kind of a tribal feel to it. It's pretty cute. Okay, I dig it. Oh, they're earrings, and that is so cute. They are little star earrings on a little wooden star to hold them. That is adorable. What a great idea. Simple, easy, sweet. I love that. I really like that a lot. So for a box of Happies, I think these are Happies. I think all 3 of these are Happies. Let me know what you guys think. I've never even heard of this. So this is unique. It's pretty cool. And these are really cute. And I feel like they're good quality. And you could use this little wooden star for something else. This is not my favorite thing, but I could see myself wearing it as an anklet. It's cute. Something on the beach. It feels like something that wouldn't get ruined if you swam with it. So I'm happy with the box of Happies. That's pretty cute. I like the idea. So today was like kind of a more fun, quirky type of feel to it, I feel like. But I did like all of the boxes. I do definitely recommend the So Susan Cosmetics. The box of Happies, I feel like, it's up to you whether or not you think it's worth it. I feel personally like it's worth it because I just learned about something new and quirky. We all know I love colorful stuff. And the Earfleek, not my favorite Earfleek, but you never know what you're going to get with Earfleek. And I like the randomness of not knowing what was in all 3 of these. All 3 of these were a complete surprise. So let me know what you guys thought. Would you order any of these boxes? Do you have boxes that you would like to see on the channel that you've heard about but you don't want to pay for it just yet without knowing what the quality is and whatnot? Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate you guys being here if you stuck it out this long. If you did like the video, please do hit that like and subscribe. And meanwhile, you guys have a great day, okay? Bye.